So we are in Cutler, Maine, doing Cutler Bold. We got Chloe and Ariane with us today. Took us about 2.5 hours to get here. And you want a full tank of gas if you're coming from where we came, because we passed one gas station. Chloe, was it a long ride? Mm-hmm. You slept literally the whole ride.
You can't be serious.
Alright, so a little break in the action. I promise it won't be long. I just want to say that I appreciate everybody who subscribed to the channel. If this is the first video that you guys have watched, I hope we earned the right for you to subscribe to our channel. We are a family that lives in Maine, and we love the outdoors. So if you like hunting, ice fishing, four-wheeling, camping, hiking, anything like that, I hope you check out the rest of our channel. We put a lot of work and effort into it, and you subscribing to our channel means the world to us. So get that out of the way. Unfortunately, I got some bad news. In this video, you guys are going to see a camera right here on my shoulder. Unfortunately, the 33 clips that were all 5 to 6 minutes long that I made when we were hiking, for some reason got lost when uploading to my external hard drive. So huge bummer. We had this trip planned for a few weeks, and I was excited to get home and start editing, and it was just gone. It wasn't on my external. It wasn't on my in my trash can on the computer, and I stupidly deleted it from the GoPro SD card, as I typically do after it uploads to the external hard drive, where it was at one point, but the next day when I started editing, it was gone. So we lost a bunch of footage, but with this camera that you guys are on right now and our cell phones, I think we put together enough that you guys can see how awesome this trail is. It was a beautiful hike. We all loved it. So I hope you guys are gonna like it too. So again, hit that subscribe button and enjoy the rest of the video.
Oh, you probably can go down there.
Yeah, wherever there's a trail. I want to go out on that rock. That's where I'm going. Coming? It's very easy through here. Come right down that little valley. Whew. People have said you've been able to see seals and stuff. Come on, babe. Stay right in this little gully thing right here.
I'll just stay.
The ladder's broken a little bit. Okay, show me the people.
Now put your foot on one of the ladder runs.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah, right here. The rope's not, it's just pulled out. There you go. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
You not coming? Stay low and lean back, okay?
Once you get there, there's like steps from the roots. Oh, it's sticky. Do right over here, Chloe. Do you see that landing? Oh, you got it. Okay. Your turn, babe.
Here, keep them, but oh, my hands are sticky.
How was it?
Magical.
Worth the view?
View's even better up here. Alright, let's check the book.
We're here.
That many people came out for us?
Yep. Nobody's made it out yet. 9:20, 9:16, 9:20.
I have us at 6.09 miles. I have 3 hours and 50 minutes on my watch.
3:51.
So just over 6 miles, 3 hours, 51 minutes. What's your favorite part, Chloe?
When we walk down the hill.
Going down that hill with the ladder?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Watching you go down the ladder.
Watching us go down the ladder?
Yeah.
Oh, watching me come up the ladder. I don't want to discourage anybody from coming here, but I literally think my favorite part was the first lookout we got to.
Yeah.
The first rock that we walked out on.
Yeah.
And the rest of it was cool, but once you saw that, it was kind of like oceanside.
Yeah.
But if I would almost walk it backwards and end at that spot and then just sit there for like an hour and eat or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Is it worth the 2.5 hour drive?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Is it worth the half hour of the 2.5 hour ride that you were awake?
Yeah.
All right, well that wraps up at Cutler Bold. We gotta hit Walmart for some game camera batteries on the way home and get our hunting stuff out.
Just stop at Walmart.
And you wanna go four-wheeling?
Yeah.
Toast the people.